Ndewo. Ndewo. Taa, ana m eme conjugation, verb conjugation, or conjugation of ngwa. Ngwa bụ verb n'Igbo, n'asụsụ Igbo. Um, I'm not an Igbo teacher. Abụghị m onye nkuzi. Uh, I'm just practicing, when I'm just practicing for myself. And so, yeah. So I did this exercise a few days ago. Let me see what day actually, so I can be precise. I did this like a week ago, maybe 10 days ago. And I did this exercise about a week ago where I was conjugating Igbo verbs, and I wanted to come back to it because I got stumped. But fortunately for me, my Igbo class. So currently, I'm taking Igbo classes. Fortunately, I'm taking Igbo classes right now, and my Igbo teacher basically went over some of the same things in Igbo class. So I don't know why Facebook doesn't allow you to go live like publicly. Like it only shares your lives with your friends. And then once you finish doing your live, that's when it becomes public. And that's when you can now change it to public. I don't know why it does that. But anyway, right now I'm streaming live on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. But anyway, so this is what I did for this thing, my live. I don't think that's correct. You were versus you were. One of the things that my teacher taught me is that you have been, you would add la, and that's what I did wrong here. Like you would have gone, should have been agaram, aga, have, would be, the la would be added here. Could have. Some of these things I still don't know for sure. Should have. Lam. I don't know if that's supposed to be gara. Gara. Okay, I had been. That la is that. That's what that is. Lam. I had gone. Agara. Aga. Huh? Agalaram. I still need to. I was going to. Will have. I need to do this with somebody because honestly, I don't think I can do this stuff on my own. But you know what I'm gonna do? I think I will look at. There are some websites. There are some websites that have Igbo conjugations on them, like prefixes, suffixes, and conjugation. And I also have a book of Igbo grammar that shows conjugation as well. So let me check it out. Let me check out this book on Igbo grammar. This is Igbo grammar book. So I can look here, and there are certain things Like one thing I learned was have many and not past tense was is la, right? So let me check this book for my trans for to be sure of certain things. Because there are certain things that you just don't know just by looking um, at them. So I mean, if you see something that you think you know on my screen, you can definitely comment. And this is explaining suffixes, verb root and suffix, the verb root and suffix relationship in Igbo. But the imperative, you have the infinitive and the imperative. Imperative verb, infinitive imperative. I already know that one. Conjugation of verb, okay. Single, plural, okay, we got that. Imperative verb, positive, prohibition, okay, I already know that one. Ejela, abiala, I know that one. And I have pages missing, which is gonna be terrible for me. And then we have continuous tense, nabia, which means he comes, she comes. So na verb is the present continuous tense. It's also the plural. I mean the present continuous and constant progressive present present tense. Um, future tense, gabia. I know that, and then we have 2 pages missing, which is annoying. Plural would have gone. We would have. Would have is gara, gara. So we would have gone is ein gara ije. Should have unu gari je. Ha gari je. Singular, I would have gone. Ngaburu ije. Igaburu ije. You should have gone. And he, she should have gone as ogaburu ije. Oh, so I found the answer to one of these. I wish these pages weren't missing. Should have, should have, and would have, should have, would have. So this one should be I would have gone is ngaburu ije. This should be ngaburu ije. This should be e ga buru ije. This should be all gaburu ije. All gaburu ije. And I'm getting this from the Igbo grammar book. That's why I'm getting the correction for this for. Um, she would have come. Should be all gaburu abia. All it should be ibia, right? Gaburu ibia. Just to go along with the infinitive version of the verb as it's done in the first 3. So this one is it would have come should be all gaburu ikosi. If that's what I'm guessing. That's what I'm saying. All gaburu ikosi. And then we would have gone should be ani. Ani gara ije. Would have gone. This would be I'm ga I'm gara ije. Unu. Unu gara ije. Unu gara ije. And ha gara ije. What's interesting here is that in the gara ije. What's interesting here is that in the plural version of would have, um, it's gara, while in the singular version is gaburu. So that's something to keep in mind. That's something to bear in mind when you're translating that. So would have and should have is pretty much the same thing. So um, this one should be, this is should have gone. This one should be ga ga buru ije. Should have and would have are the same. It seems like should have and would have, according to, not according to me, according to the Igbo grammar textbook that I'm working from. Um, should have should be I ga buru ije. O ga buru ije. This one is O ga buru. This one is came, so it should be ibia. Ibia. This one should be O ga buru ikwụsị. Ikwụsị. We should have gone. Anyị gara. Anyị gara ije. Unu gara ije. Ha gara ije. Okay. Ije. Okay. But they have should have, but they don't have could have. Note the alternative expressions for the first person singular. Agaram ije, agaburum ije. We would have gone. Why is this the same thing? Agaram. Oh, so you can say it in either way. So garam and gaburu is not. There's no distinction. It's just, it's a choice because they have here gara as plural, and then they have here that you can say it. We would have gone. We would have gone. Gara and gaburu is the same thing. So we would say gara ije or agaram ije or gaburu ije or agaburum ije. So let's make sure we have that in this chart. Agaram ije is still okay to say, or I gara ije is still okay to say. And O Gara EJ is still okay to say. Ogaribia. Ogara Ekose is all okay to say. Ogara Ibia and Ogara Ekose are all okay to say. Ogari Ekose. He should have come. He should have stopped. He should have gone. Somebody's calling me, but I'm going to ignore the call. Yeah. All right. All right. So now we have past tense, which is went is re. I think I messed up back here. I said imperfect past. I was, I were, she were. I should have said I was walking when it rains. Ejerem. Ana mejere. Ejere. I was walking when it rained. Ejerem. Agaram ije. Mgbe mmiri zoro. I think that's the correct way to say this. Actually, let me just leave that alone. Okay, I'll come back to it. Um, what else? What else? What else? Where did I leave empty? I was going to be. Was going to be. Let's look at the rest of these things from here. It says past tense plural. I'm Jared. I'm borrow. Okay. Past tense. I'm mepere. We opened. I'm bakara. We entered. Note the alternative for the first person singular. Ederim, akborum, imeberim. Okay. A little digression, note of warning. Bring with it, and bring to me or for me. Ball, call for me. Oraya, call for him. With it and bring me the coconut. With them Audrey. Bottom. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Next page. 73, 74. Past participle. Past perfect tense or present perfect present perfect tense to say have gone, has gone. You'll add an extra letter, and then you'll add the la or le. So speak is go, then gole is have spoken. I think I have the have, but what about will have or was going to, right? So we've gone, we have gone, Ain Jele, Unu Jele, Ha Jele, Ain Paula. We have the have. Have gone, have closed, have put. Alright. Alright. Suffix la, le. You understand that one at this point. We've entered, Jela, Michela, Tiniela, the alternative version of blah, blah, blah. We hold up, what is this resuffix? Most people use the suffix "ri" as past perfect tense. This is saying "ojeleri," "oweteleri," "omeleri." This issue is debatable. But I would like to say that applying the two suffixes to obey the vowel harmony is more academic, more bookish, while using only one version is more colloquial. My advice, however, is that you should always apply the vowel harmony in the written word. Morpheme is the most meaningful function element in the composition of a word, such as the above suffixes we talked about. Okay, let's see. Let me look this. See the next page. Had brought. Had eaten. Oriele. Oriele. Obatalari. Had entered. But we thought, why did we just learn that this stuff is. Hold on. We just learned to use le, ojele, oriele. Now he's adding re to the end to say the exact same thing. Has eaten, riele. Oh, had. Has or have versus had is to add the re to the end. Got it. So let's see, where did I put that? Has, had gone. So this should not be agaralam. This should be aga, agalare, rim, iga, la, had, agalare, obia, la, re, okwose, lare. All right. Okay. Formerly or used to. I think I did used to already. Nope, here we go. I used to want that. This is boo, boo, nakuzi, na, used to teach. Nakuzi boo, narakuzi, nabu akuzi, used to, bibu, nobu, bubu, kuziburu. Okay. I used to want that would be a, cha, bu, yeah, that's yeah. Right? And then you used to like that would be e, trouble, yeah. Oh, you used to like that? Each massive, right? A massive, yeah. That would be ihan. Massive ihan. Trouble, ihan. Right? And then he used to be my friend. All the bu enyi. She used to be beautiful. All my bu all my bu I think. It used to be enjoyable. All hmm? All tọgburu ụtọ. We used to go to the market. Anyị jebu mm, that market. Anyị jeburu ahịa ahụ. You all used to agree with me. Unu kwe, I don't know, kweburu. You all used to agree. What is the? How do you say agree with me? Let me look it up on Google Translate. Translate English to Igbo. You agree with me. Ikwenyere nam. Ikwenyere nam. Unu kwenye. Kwenye. Buru. Nam. That's what I think it means. Anyway, they used to enjoy this. Ha. Oh, I'm gonna say it used to be enjoyable to them. Oh, to, buru, ha, uto. Okay. Um, mm, probably something. I was just, I don't know. Okay, so I've understood boo. Kuzi, na bu kuzi, na kuzi bu, and nabu kuzi are the same thing. Um, let's see. Ebi boom, ano boom, abu boom. Okay, no boom, mbi boom na Lagos. I used to live in Lagos. Nzegi, not go. This is the negative. Mbu, yeah, I'm not. Negative. Abulim. No. Okay, negative. More negative tenses. Nepere, neperi. Did not open. Mm, How about that again? All right, that's more negative tenses. All right. All right. Okay. So I was just thinking about you. I don't know how to say that. And this book has just some pages. If anyone can find, actually, I'm going to look up Igbo Grammar by Godson and Chidima in Google. Igbo Grammar, Godson and Chidima. The textbook of Igbo Grammar. Let's see. This is not. This is actually for sale. Let me come back up here. Um, mm, yeah, I don't know where I'll find this book now. And this doesn't even have comment section. Baby. Uh, doesn't even have comment section. Alright. I just have to close this. Alright. Well, I don't know what else. Um, I'm just gonna consider these conjugations done. Will have and was going to and just are um, still need to be conjugated. So this isn't completely done. Adam dia aburu na maybe because agabo nije. Agara n'ime ya, ngara n'ime ngara, nkahi n'ime could have. This one should also say Anyị ga-buru ije. Unu ga-buru ije. Ha ga-buru ije. All right. This is all I can handle for today. Um, I'll just, I think I'll wrap it up for the day. I'm done. Um, Thanks for those that watched. I need to get this. I need to get this checked by um by somebody to see if I'm correct. I'm conjugating these correctly. Um, yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me see something. There was one that I highlighted and read. The Agwochalam. Agwochawalam. Agwochawalam. Where Agwochawalam. I was walking when it rained. Agawalam. Egypt. I was walking. He was sleeping. Agawalam. Egypt. Mgbe mmiri zoro. Ihiwela ụra mgbe m kpọrọ. O riwela mmiri mgbe ị kụrụ aka n'ụzọ. O yiwela uwe mgbe ọ bịarutere. O gwuchala ọgwụ ọgwụchawala ọgwụchawala mgbe ọgwụchawala mgbe ekike bịarutere. Anyị gbawara bọọlụ mgbe mmiri bidoro izo. Unu nọwara n'ụzọ mgbe anyị mechawara. Ha chọpụtawala ebe anyị nọ mgbe anyị riwela nri. All right, I'm going to share this document with somebody who speaks fluent Igbo and see if they can tell me if I did how I did, basically. So that's the end of this live stream. Thank you for watching. Peace.